Open your pattern repeat block in Photoshop. Then click on Edit, define pattern, and click OK. Open your mockup file and find the coordinating letter on the layer of the shape you want to fill. Then click on the Smart Object symbol. A new document will open. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Pattern, and click OK. When the pattern fill box appears, click on the drop-down menu and find your pattern that you've just loaded. Here you can easily change the scale of your pattern fill as well as the angle. In a second I will show you how to change the angle. Here you can change the angle of your pattern fill. Hold down Shift to get perfect increments. That's it. Such an easy way to change the scale and the angle of your designs within the mockup. Don't forget to turn off the layer that marks the blocks. You can also change the color of the background by clicking on the bottom layer, then click on your foreground color to bring up the color picker. Choose a color and click OK. Choose the paint bucket tool and click on your background to change the color. Don't edit these base layers. To change the brightness and contrast of your image, if necessary, locate the layer right at the top and click on the sun. Close this again by clicking on the two little arrows on the right hand side. A really quick way to fill all the blocks. Click on the pattern fill layer that you added in one of the Smart documents. Press Command and C for copy, and when you open the next Smart document, just press Command and V to paste the layer. It will paste the exact design in the same scale and rotation. And that's it. You have a quilt block mock-up filled with all your designs, ready to share with the world. Please remember to share it with me as well. I would love to see what you come up with.